If you look in the mirror wishing you could change your body or reshape your body, you actually can. Welcome Dr. Edward Bednar with Bednar Cosmetic Surgery. Dr. Bednar, it's great to see you. Thanks for being here.
Good morning.
In addition to being a plastic surgeon, you're also an artist. And I mention this because those skills that you use as an artist, particularly as a sculptor, really translate into your work as a plastic surgeon.
Right. I've been painting and carving and sculpting since I was 8 years old, so it's an aptitude I bring. And it's a great medium, obviously. It's a medium that's restricted by a medical license there. And it was one of my sculptures. It's a clay sculpture of Perseus and Andromeda. A little bit of story from Greek mythology.
Beautiful.
But it is something that, as I said, when we go to body sculpting and when we really go to really reshaping the body and trying to restore what most people had in the first place, you know, it's invaluable. It really is invaluable in the whole process.
I think that artist's eye definitely plays into it. It makes so much sense. And I know you really are an artist when it comes to your work as a plastic surgeon as well.
It's not a catchphrase, just a marketing catchphrase.
No, I know that. Let's talk about ways to reshape the body and contour the body. Something that most people have heard of, liposuction. Right,
liposuction is really liposculpture, and so basically it's a subtractive sculpture. And that subtractive sculpturing process is important from the standpoint of your approach. Now there's additive sculpture such as breast augmentation, you know, but the subtractive sculpture takes a certain particular kind of approach, and that philosophy and approach, I think, really shows itself, as I said, in your end result, and it's important. It's an important part of the process.
We have a picture of the end result that we can put on the screen right now.
There's some liposuction. Now, there's nothing else that can make this much of a difference for you in regards to body sculpting, but it's important. In this particular patient, we did the love handle regions, we did the abdomen, we did her inner and outer thigh, so we resculpted and reshaped her back to the contour that she had prior to having several children.
Very good.
So, yeah.
The results are great. She looks great.
These are particularly tough depots sometimes to deal with. You can be great about diet and exercise and you can't be rid of them.
Okay, let's talk about the tummy tuck.
Okay, tummy tuck is another body resculpture. When you've got a lot of loose and lax skin of the abdomen, you know, that is really what really can take up that laxity. You can see in the before and after that we have here. It's a little bit of thickness to the fatty layer, but there's a lot of loose and lax skin, and she really wanted to restore that kind of flatness to her abdomen, really wanted to get back in a two-piece bathing suit, and so we were able to accomplish that for her. Very low-lying scar. They said a significant amount of body sculpting and liposuction as well. It goes into this process as well. Great
results. Okay, ab etching is something you do. I am not familiar with this.
Not many plastic surgeons do the ab etching. It's quite a demanding type of process, and what you're really trying to do is you're actually sculpting some things there that you know are underlying, some of the underlying anatomy, and the patient's got to have a little bit of it to start with, but the congenital difference that they have in their thickness to their body layer of fat there may preclude them to showing their abdomen. So I help them out a little bit and give them a result that basically, as I said, reveals really what's underlying there.
Wow, I bet he walks around without a shirt on all the time now, huh? He's probably very proud of that. Dr. Bednar, that's amazing. It looks great.
Yeah, as I said before, it's a process that not many surgeons do, but it's something I'm entirely comfortable with, and I think it goes back to that artistic background.
Very good. We should let you know that Dr. Bednar offers complimentary consultations. So if you have questions about anything that you just saw, give his office a call. It is 704-366-6700. Again, 704-366-6700. I've spoken with...
Check out the website, too. A lot of before and after video on the website as well about the procedures.
All the work that he does and everything he does. It's just endless. Dr. Bednar, it's great to see you. Thank you. Thank you so much.